here is a quick video on how to use two features in Zoom, the Whiteboard and Annotate Tool. These might be handy for illustrating concepts or demonstrating math equations. We'll start with the Annotate Tool. In Zoom, you'll first want to share your screen. Select the document that you want to mark up or to have students see. In the top toolbar, there is an Annotate button. This will bring up some more options. You can use a mouse, you can type text or draw, you can highlight your cursor, which is the spotlight. It looks something like this. Eraser, color, and save. So we'll go with draw, and here we could, and I'm using my trackpad. You could use your mouse, or you can even use a drawing tablet. So all of those will work. You can right here and demonstrate. If you make a mistake, you can undo or erase. And then when you're done, if you want, you can either take a screenshot, which the method will depend on what kind of computer you have. Usually there's a built-in tool or keyboard shortcuts, or you can save it using this button here. When you're done, stop share. And the whiteboard is very similar. So again, you'll be going to share your screen, but this time you're going to choose the whiteboard. Click share. And here we have just a blank whiteboard, but we have the same tools. So we can draw, we can erase, we can do a stamp, or we could type. And again, if you want to save it, you could save it or take a screenshot, and then whenever you're done, click stop share.